Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how you can turn off the autocorrect option on your iPhone. So if you want to turn off the autocorrect, maybe when you're typing and there's this particular word that you want to type, but the autocorrection keep on changing it back to a different word, and it's kind of annoying. Here is a quick guide on how to turn off the autocorrect option on your iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to open the settings, then scroll down to general, tap on general, then from general scroll all the way down, then tap on the keyboard. Then from the keyboard you have to scroll down a little, then look for the autocorrect correction from the whole keyboard layout. So I'm gonna tap on the auto correction is on the second option after auto capitalization, so turn it off. And that is how you can turn off the auto correction on your iPhone. So whenever you want to type, you don't have to bother about the phone trying to change any single word you type in. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.